Today I'm going to be telling you what nobody tells you about small accounts. Come and take a look. You see, this I start this account. I deposit a 38, 32, $33, and currently I'm at 100% profit of this account. It's a small account and I'm taking it slowly, little by little. You understand? One thing people do not tell you about small accounts is that small accounts is very difficult to trade, honestly, and it comes with a lot of emotions. To be sincere with you, it's very difficult because it's a small capital, and whenever you want to get into some trades, you need to put in some large amount of money or risk for you to get in that trade. So it's very difficult, you understand? But there's a benefit that comes with trading one account. Trading small account. You understand? Currently, I'm on a trade on the account, and I'm just a little funds on the account. I think the account currently is on 63. It's on $63 currently right now. You can see it's on $63 currently, and we are on $2 risk. I just took the trade not quite long. And this is my history so far since I took the trade. You can see my history right here since I took the trade. You understand? So it's so hard to focus. It's so hard to trade small account. You understand? Because it comes with a lot of emotions. You understand? And one of the benefits of trading small account is that it will give you the ability to trade bigger equity. You understand? Because I heard some traders say small account they don't like trading small account. They're looking for big account to trade. You understand? Good. It's fine. Better to trade big equity. You understand? But one thing you need to understand that, are you sure and are you confident you can trade that big equity you're looking for? That is the question you need to ask yourself. You understand? So what is the benefit of trading small account? It will give you the ability to trade bigger equity. If you can trade small accounts with care and you can trade it effectively, you find out that any big account someone gives you, or any big account that comes your way, you definitely trade it very effectively, and you trade it very well and be profitable at it. Why? Because you are not trading with emotions. You understand? Because if you can trade small accounts effectively, you find out that you are master of emotions. Because trading small account, like I said, it comes with emotions. It comes with a lot of different emotions, fears, greed, and all of that. So when you want to trade small accounts, you need to build that confidence. You need to build that emotions within time. You understand? And trading small account is what will enable you to build it. You cannot be going to bigger equity and go and be building your emotions there. You do nonsense. You find out that you are taking some bad trades. You understand? And it's not good for you as a trader. You understand? So like I said focusing on sorry I'm talking about small accounts. You understand? So the benefit of trading small account, like I said, is going to give you the ability to trade bigger equity. If you're a type that do blue small account, sorry to say this, you will not be able to trade bigger equity. You will find it difficult to trade bigger capital. You find out that when someone gives you 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 dollars, $5,000, $10,000, you find out that you're blowing them. You're not making money out of it. Why? Because you have not mastered the art of trading smaller equity, smaller capital, and that is where the growth starts from. As a trader, as a beginner trader like you, or an advanced, or a trader that is even trying to grow, it is very vital. It's very essential you start from trading smaller equity, smaller capital. Start with $50, start with $20, start with $30, start with $40. You can even start with 100. Those are little capital. Then begin to build mastery, begin to build discipline, begin to build consistency. That is how you get good, you get better, and eventually you'll be able and you'll have the ability to trade bigger equity. You understand? Like me now, I'm currently trading a smaller equity. It's not like I can't trade bigger equity, because I've been doing this for a couple months. You understand? So I have the ability now to trade bigger equity. I can trade a $1,000 account effectively now. Why? Because I have built from scratch. I have built from trading smaller equity. I've traded $2, I've traded $5, I've traded $10 before. I've raised it. Why? Because I want to be able to trade bigger equity. You understand? You can't just maybe get into a business and jump into the business with all your millions. No, you eventually crash, you crumble in that business. Why? Because you didn't start from small. If you check most business today that are booming today, they started from small, they started from little capital, they started building their capacity from the bottom parts of the business. That is how you grow. You understand? So make sure you know how to trade smaller equity very, very effectively. And one thing about smaller equity is entry. Your execution matters a lot. You need to know how to get good entries in the market. If you don't know how to get good entries, like snipers entries in the market, you find out that you are always losing that smaller equity, because whenever you want to enter the market, you know that within the next few minutes the market is going to be moving in your direction. You don't want to enter a market and be waiting for hours for the market to move in your direction. It will cause emotions, you understand? And before you know, you fear, you begin to get that fear, and maybe you step out of the trade while the trade is still going to move in your direction. It was just maybe consolidating for a little while and move, you understand? But because you have the fear, you will not go and close the trade. Like, oh, maybe when the market now go to your direction later, you'll be like, oh, I've no close this trade. You'll be like, you'll be beating yourself up. Why? Because you have that fear in you. So build your confidence with small accounts. It's very, very vital. Like I said, build your confidence with small accounts so that you'll be able to trade bigger equity. Like, this is 2026. Come on, you don't want to be stuck in one particular place. You want to be getting good trade. You want to be taking better trade this 2026. You want to be getting good execution 2026. This 2026 is a very, very glorious year for me, and I believe it will be for you also, because my first trade for this 2026 was a win for me, and it was very great. Last year I made some losses. I learned a lot of things, you understand? But it was from small account I was trading, you understand? And I believe that this new year I'm going to be trading more and more bigger equity, you understand? Because I have created and I have built that ability to do so, you understand? So make sure you trade small account from the beginning. As you're a beginner trader or an advanced trader, start with small account. Don't rush to go and be trading bigger equity. It's very dangerous, you understand? Because you don't want to be losing people's big money. They will eventually get to arrest you, you understand? So currently I'm still holding this trade. This is my TP and this is my target, you understand? So, and this is currently the account. You can see it. We're currently on $6 profits. I'm still holding this trade. And back to the history. This is my history, you understand? When I started, I deposit this account. I deposited 32.93 cents. I deposit there, you understand? $32.93. You can see it, and you can see my profit. My profit is $29 right there. That is about 100% of the account that I have traded right now. So this is a good growth, you understand? And this is probably what you need in your trading journey. You need growth. You need growth. You understand? That is how you move forward, you understand? So stay tuned, guys, and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Whenever I release a video like this, you'll instantly get notified. Peace out, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.